I don't even like watermelon, but goddamn these are fire. What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another video, and as I mentioned in my last review for the Aqua Air Max 1s, I need more Air Max 1s in my life, and I'm happy to have copped this pair because they are super duper hot fire. So this pair right here I actually saw randomly on someone's YouTube review page. I'm not sure who it was, but I saw a review for them and I was thinking, how comes I've not seen these like on a release calendar? How comes I've not seen anyone talking about them, where the pictures on Instagram, etc, etc. Then I realized that they hadn't actually even came out properly in the UK yet. They come out randomly in like Canada and Australia before they came out in the UK. But finally we got our release, and it was quite a wide release as well. It wasn't exactly a GR, I think it was like a bit of a reduced stock GR, but I've seen a couple restocks on the likes of Foot Patrol since then. But shout out to Offspring for where I copped my pair on the day of release. I knew it was a GR, so I thought, okay, not too much stress going on here. But it ended up being a little bit stressful. So I think I took an L straight away on one website, then I went to another website, took another L, then I went on Offspring and I managed to cop it nice and calmly in the end. Glad to have grabbed my pair, so let's open up this box, show you what they're like. So they come in your standard Nike box. These retailed for £100, so whatever that is in your country, work it out, but standard price for all Air Max 1s, £100. And these are a GR, as I said, no collab or nothing special like that, even though they're super fire. If they threw on like a collab name or put it in a pack, people go crazy for them, but they're getting crazy as it is. Colorway wise, it is Summit White, Sunset Pulse, and there's also a green in it, so I'm not sure if the Sunset Pulse is for the pink. I can only assume so, but there's also a green in it. Got these in a UK size 10. I rock UK size 10 for all my Air Max 1s that I've got so far. Seems to fit me fine, so I'd assume these are going to be exactly the same, but let's check it out. And boom, here are the kicks in all their beautiful summer colorway glory. As I said, these have been labeled as the Air Max 1 watermelons. I've also seen the name Miami go around. I'm not sure if this is the pair that people are talking about. Possibly because of the whole South Beach thing with LeBron James. Similar-ish kind of colorway, so maybe that's that. Someone can correct me if it's wrong and that's for another Air Max 1. As I said, super new to this Air Max 1 thing. Super late as well, but glad to be copping my pairs as they come out. But let's get some close-ups and show you some more details of this lovely shoe. So toe box of the shoe is comprised of a mesh, which is what you find on generally all Air Max 1s. A couple pairs you find in leather, but they're normally a speciality one. Standard mesh in white. The side of the shoe here is in a synthetic leather in this grey colorway, very nice grey colorway. Then you come to this swoosh, which is in this Sunset Pulse colorway. Super duper fire, and it looks like the materials for it pretty premium as well. It looks like a bit of a slightly tumbled leather as well on the swoosh, which is super duper fire. Front of the shoe on the mudguard is in this ruffled sort of green suede. Definitely a rougher suede, not a super thin one. Doesn't really change color, slightly, but not majorly. But feels very nice, looks very nice as well. Midsole is in all white. Then you can see the bubble in here in that green colorway. Super duper dope. Towards the back of the shoe here, you can see the Nike Air branding in Sunset Pulse. And you've also got these green hits as well in that same suede towards the back. And also the synthetic leather again in grey. Other side of the shoe, exactly the same again. Your standard Air Max 1. On the laces, looks like they're slightly off-white laces. On the tongue, it's got Nike in green with the swoosh. And then that Sunset Pulse colorway where it says Nike Air. And on the eyelets, the top two eyelets are in that green colorway as well. Insole of the shoe is all green with Nike Air written in black. And the sole of the shoe, all green again with Nike Air written here. Super fire, super simple, summer bangers. Let's get to the on foot, let go. And we're back. So that was a quick look at the Air Max 1 watermelons on feet. Super duper fire, as you could see. Hopefully you can still cop a pair if you haven't copped already. As I said, I literally, just before I went upstairs, I saw a restock from Foot Patrol. So that's definitely happening. Other sites are restocking it all the time. So definitely a GR, obviously a sought after colorway, so the colors are going quickly. They released a hell of a lot of Air Max on that same day, so probably a couple other pairs as well if you take an L on these. You've got the Curries coming out, I think it's next week as well, so check those out if you're in for some Air Max 1s. I'm loving these. Size wise, fit me totally fine. UK 10 is what I wear generally in most Nikes, and this works again for me. And yeah, end of the review. Hopefully you enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram, which is @sneakers, and Twitter, which is perfection7. More videos to come. Every Monday I release my Monday waffle on topic, so check that out for sure. And leave any comments. Always go back to everyone that comments. Signing out. Later, yo.